Tampering with the registration plate of vehicles in India is a major offense. We have seen people getting booked for tampering with the registration plates. Recently, a luxury Hummer SUV was stopped and the driver was given challan for sporting a mafia named plate over his registration number in Panji. According to the information, the owner of a Hummer SUV had displayed mafia on the registration plate hiding the vehicle's registration number. Someone complained about the vehicle and forwarded it to the police. The vehicle was stopped by the Panji traffic police and the driver was issued a challan.
ओके कितें म्हणजे कितें तेंच्यांनी आतां इरेग्युलरिटी केल्या भितर अशें राव सर हय
विजिबल नासली
हां
आनी ते हे लायल्ले नंबर लायल्लो आनी आमकां आमगे स्टाफान इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलें सो आमी गाडी केली
हां
आमी चलून दिल्ले
आनी कितें खंयची गाडी सर ती
गाडी
MH न्ही ओके
लोकल तो कोण तरी बॉम्बेच्यान हाडले
हां हां ओके आनी टिंटेड ग्लास बीन आसा साहेब
टिंटेड ग्लासीस आहा ते कंपनी टिंटेड ग्लासीस हांव तरी चॅक करता ते आनी सपोज आहा ताका चलन
सो आतां तुमी चलन मारला तेंकां
ना मारले आतां
आतां मार